Good morning, my dear friends. Today it's 24th of September 2025 and it is very early morning. Now I'm getting in the garden to get our morning puja flowers, and I would show you and share with all of you whatever I get. So here is my first hibiscus. As you can see, so beautiful. So I have to thank the plant. Thank you so much. And here the first hibiscus for us. Now we will have some more. Here is our second hibiscus. Here is our Zulu. He is also in the garden. Now we are going for more hibiscuses, and see here we have more. Thank you. Thank you. And there is another also. See here. Thank you. Actually, some construction is going on this side, so getting this side becomes a little difficult. This is another beautiful hibiscus. This is another beautiful hibiscus. Because of the construction, see the plant, all the cementy things, it had become this kind of a thing. Now we are going for more Kamzulu. So that is the reason this side plants had become all cementy. And now we are going to get more hibiscus. See here, it's so beautiful. So beautiful, this one. Thank you. Now we will have more. Let me see if I get in these some more. This is an Oporagita plant. I'm just trying to see if there's any blue flower or not. This is another Oporagita plant. This is a white one. So I'm just trying to see if I can get any white in this one or not today. No, there's no white. So let me take some yellow flowers. See, they're so beautiful. Hey Zulu! Zulu, no! So now we are getting some yellow flowers. Here is more yellow flower. Here is some more yellow flower. I will not take all because I already have shop bought marigold also, so which I have kept in my refrigerator. I keep flowers in my refrigerator. And here I have more. Here I have some more. They are very beautiful and pretty. You can see I'll have some little purple flower also. Let me show you. See, that's so beautiful purple. I'll have some more. Thank you. I'll have some more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So they are so beautiful. I'll keep here. Today we have another type of hibiscus, which is another type. See here. See, it's so beautiful. Thank you. It will bloom now further. Now it's early morning. Later on it will bloom further. There is another also. See here. It's so beautiful, as you can see. So beautiful. Now let me close the garden gate, otherwise I have my puppies, they get inside. And there was another hibiscus also that I have seen. See here. So today we have a lot of flower. See, and by the way, this is our backyard garden. and still we have flowers in the front garden which I will pick later on. So you can see, so today from the backyard garden of ours I am having a full basket of beautiful flowers, especially a lot of hibiscus, purple flowers and yellow flowers. So thank you, my dear friends. I'll share a lot more in the coming days. Stay blessed. Thank you. And by the way, happy Navaratri to all of you. Thank you.